Life on Earth exists only because lots of massive stars have violently exploded nearby. That's the suggestion by what new research into the buildup of organic matter on our planet and the frequency of supernovae, a powerful explosion of a massive star, published in the scientific journal Geophysical Research Letters by senior researcher Dr Henrik Svensmark, DTU Space at the Technical University of Denmark. The evidence demonstrates a close connection between the fraction of organic matter buried in sediments and the frequency of supernovae. The puzzling correlation applies to the last 3.5 billion years. It appears to be a story about climate change. Lots of supernovae apparently leads to a cold climate on Earth, with big temperature differences between the equator and the poles. That, in turn, leads to strong winds and rough seas, which help deliver nutrients to ecosystems, so more bioproductivity and more organic matter buried in sediments. Crucially, that process produces oxygen, the foundation of all complex life on Earth. Photosynthesis produces oxygen and sugar from light, water and CO2, said Svensmark. However, if organic material is not moved into sediments, oxygen and organic matter become CO2 and water. The burial of organic material prevents this reverse reaction. So supernovae indirectly controls oxygen production. Svensmark measured trace elements in pyrite embedded in black shale on the seabed, comparing the levels of the lighter, live-friendly carbon-12 atom with the heavier carbon-13 atom. The ratio between the two changes according to the amount of biomass in the world's oceans. What's that got to do with supernovae? When heavy stars explode, they produce cosmic rays made of elementary particles with enormous energies, said Svensmark. When they strike Earth's atmosphere, they ionize it, which causes aerosols to form, grow and, ultimately increase the amount of cloud. That obviously affects how much of the sun's energy that can reach Earth's surface. Earth's climate is known to change according to fluctuations in the intensity of cosmic rays, while the frequency of supernovae can vary enormously. The new evidence points to an extraordinary interconnection between life on Earth and supernovae, mediated by the effect of cosmic rays on clouds and shale. Wishing you clear skies and wide eyes.